Okay, to click the broken frowny face, you need to click on the three dots in your browser settings that are in the upper right hand corner underneath the X. Click that and go down to where it says settings. Type in the word cookies. And then you are going down to where it says site settings. Cookies and site data. And then down at the bottom here where it says block third-party cookies, your button is toggled over to be blue, and I need you to toggle that to the left to make it gray. So this will actually change it so that you can see the information that is displayed from CodeSters, because that's why it's blocking it, because it's technically a third-party site since you're on the website adhesive, and CodeSters is a different website that's embedded in there. My computer is set to this all the time, but if you're worried about things like personalized ads and things like that for privacy, just go ahead and turn it back on when you are done with your project. So hope this helps. Thanks so much. Bye bye.